Hello guys, very good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel, Single Line Code. Today I'm here to present, today I'm here to teach you Python programming right from the scratch. The Python language which I'm gonna use, you guys can utilize this in your upcoming data science projects. Since I am from data science background, I will teach you that much Python which is required for doing some data science projects. It will not be too much deep. It will be what do you call your you'll be like finding it more interesting in learning this language because data science requires Python because you need to evaluate the data. You need to what do you call uh, work with the data. You need to explore the data, do some uh, testing, do some modeling of the data. So for that, there are other alternatives too, but Python is one of the very good alternatives. You have another language called R that is basically used for statistical purpose, but Python is an all-rounder, you can say. It can be used for development. It can be used for what do you call statistical analysis also. Nowadays there is also multiple languages which is coming in picture for data science, likewise you say Java is picking up pace, but I don't think it can be or it can replace Python as such. So let's start guys. I will teach you from scratch. So this Python course will be uh, completed in Jupyter Notebook. Those people who don't have Jupyter Notebook can follow along and can like work with me, or you can like follow step by step in downloading the Jupyter Notebook. Like I'm gonna show the steps. Just follow along. You guys, and before starting this, the guys who have feared for programming, don't fear. Even there was a time when I was like quite skeptical of learning programming languages. I used to be like, no, I don't want to go to that line, Python. Then I moved in and I dreamt of becoming a data scientist. And for becoming some data scientist, you need to learn some languages. And then Python came in my life, and I would say I am a guy who did not want to learn programming language. And when I started learning this language for the first time, I felt this language is so easy to learn. It's like ABCD you have in the preliminary classes, right? Like nursery is and KGs will have those stuff like A for apple, B for ball. It's similar to on those lines. So don't worry, guys. I'm here to support you with each and every step. Any doubt, ping me. I'll give you my number. I'll give you my email ID. You can directly comment in the YouTube videos. I am ready to share the space with you in learning Python language. So let's start. So for learning the language first, you need to download your Anaconda. So I will teach you via Jupyter Notebook because that is the most what do you call software, open source software used in data science platforms. So, and how do you get Jupyter Notebook? You need to go and download Anaconda. And this is the link. Anaconda is a combination of all multiple softwares, open source softwares, right from Spider, Visual Studio, Jupyter Notebook. So what you do, you have to go to this site anaconda.com/products/distribution. Go there and click if it's your Windows system, you can directly go and download for Windows. Just click here, download. The installer will be downloaded. It will be an exe file. I am not downloading it or installing it because I've already installed it. See that, guys, this is an exe file. You just have to press next, and click on finish. Once that is done, you can jump on to Jupyter Notebook. And for Mac people, just have to go there, go to Google and type what do you call Anaconda for Mac. I'll show you the link. I'll give you the link to Anaconda for. Bear with me, guys. My system is little slow for Mac. I'm planning to buy one. Anaconda. So download. You'll have Anaconda for download. Download Anaconda for Mac. So you'll have installed Mac docs.anaconda.com. Install Mac OS. So you will see here, download the graphical Mac OS installer. Just click here, and you can directly down. I think you'll have to go down. You'll find it below. Yeah, see, you have for Windows as well as for Mac. Just download it based on your system. Once downloaded, just type in. Let's stop this because I already have this Anaconda in my system. Just type here in the taskbar Anaconda. It will automatically pop up like Anaconda. See, it will look like this Anaconda navigator. Just click on this. I'm clicking now, and it will my Anaconda opened here. It will look, once it opens, initially it will take some time. Then you'll see a UI like this, where I told you it houses multiple softwares in Anaconda. So I would basically require Jupyter Notebook. And this is the Jupyter Notebook, which is mostly used in all industries for data science projects. Not only data science projects, there are other projects which can be done, like projects like data mining projects, data analytics project, all sort of projects, or you can say creating artificial models, deep learning models, neural network models, RNN networks, everything is done in Jupyter Notebook. So let's not go to that phase right now. I'll come to that once we are done with the Python course. At least the basics of data science should be clear. And I want everyone, each and every person connected with me, to come and join the data science community. And I'll be there to help you guys with the data science projects right from scratch. Any doubts, just let me know. I'll be there with you guys. So let's just jump into Python. So why I chose Jupyter Notebook? Because there are multiple reasons. One, we are gonna work on data science projects, and number two, it's the UI interface is very cool and informative, and you can say very easy to understand. So once this is launched, just click on launch. It should launch. Yeah, it's launching. You'll get a bar kind of symbol in the right hand side below, and you'll be directed towards Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you'll see another tab opening up with server name. For me, it's taking little time. Yeah, opening Jupyter Notebook. I clicked it twice, so it is opening 2 times. So for you guys, it should not, if your system is fast enough, it should not take time. And for me, my system is very slow. So I would like to present this to you in base of, okay, fine. So once you see this page, just click on new and Python 3. So with Anaconda, you will get a Python 3 updated I think it's 3.9 version. So this is how it will look. Once you open, it will say starting kernel, please wait. So this is the file name. You can go ahead and change your file name accordingly, like Python programming, and just rename it. Before starting, I would also like to tell you why Python is used for data science. So as you know, Python is used across all what do you call development programs. Software developers use Python mostly. So why Python is used for data science project? Because one, it's like it's an high level language. It's an open source language. It provides a greater approach, like for object oriented programming, and the syntax is very easy to learn, guys. You'll find it very easy once I start showing you on how to type it out, or how do I write ABCD of Python. It is, the syntax are very easy compared to other languages like Java, C++. You say I myself, I know 2-3 languages like Golang, Java, Python, and I feel Python is very easy. Why? Because I initially started learning Python, and there were a few projects which came up in Java in my organization, so I had to learn Java too. But I felt Java is a little bit complex. When you know Python, you can already, like, if you know Python, you can solve everything in Python, right from coding, right from writing the logic to building the program, building the architecture. And I would say why Java. One more thing, why Python is better than Java, because it is like as I told you, very what do you call? I would say this is the language which is used in data mining as well as the big data. As you are aware, moving in the future, we are going towards the big data side, and Java does not have much what do you call the capability or libraries present over Java does not have that power to obtain those obtain specific results in terms of accuracy. So that's why Python. So I'll start the day on Python first. Let's say Python programming. So Jupyter Notebook is nothing but cell based. When you open, you will see only for one cell, and when you press Shift Enter or Control Enter, you will see very different types of like example 2 types of cell. Better I would tell you guys to go with Shift Enter. So it's sort of input output based. Like if I type A and give Shift Enter, it will say A is not defined because we have not defined anything. So this part, when we give Shift Enter, it will try to give an output. As I told you, it is an output based system. Like example, input output based system. Like example 1 plus 1. Now you see it's giving me the output, right? This is the input and this is my output. That's why it's very easy to debug also, where like step wherever you are what do you call having error or issues, you can easily debug this kind of error, or specifically any kind of error in Jupyter Notebook. So let's start. So before starting, I'll tell you one syntax, which is print. Print is nothing but printing my name. Printing, if you want to print, my name is Dev. Example, my name is Dev. Let's say print using this statement or function. You can easily print anything in your console, like hi, my name is Dev. Look at this, guys. Output. hi, my name is Dave. So once you type print, you need to give open parenthesis as well as close parenthesis, and you need to write in double quotes. If you don't write in double quotes, hi, let's see what is the output. It will throw in error because we have not defined what is HI. If HI is not defined, how will my system or my computer know that what are you looking for? HI can be anything, right? HI can be high, HI can be a hill, it can be a half form of hill. HI can be high, I'm like on a formal way when people meet. So we have not defined, we did not tell the computer that what is the meaning of HI. So it's throwing an error. Now, you can also like say hello world here too. Yeah, here we don't have scanf or printf which you used to have in C++. Printf is enough. That's it. Hello world. Hello world. So this is how you begin with typing in Python. So this Python is very useful in arithmetical as well as logical, what do you call, performing logical functions, arithmetical solutions, providing arithmetical solutions, providing analytical solutions, and many such use cases can be done using Python. Let's say arithmetical or arithmetic, or you say arithmetical, 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 10 into 5, 10 into 5, 50. See, it's so easy, guys. 1 divided by 1, give you 1. 3 divided by 2. So division, we use division symbol by slash. And we use plus symbol as plus normally. Multiply symbol as asterisk. See, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. And there is something called 3 divided by 2 double what degrees. If you do this, you double division, you will what it does is it will not give you the remainder digit post your decimal. It will strike off and it will only take the first value. So if you go to Google, you will have arithmetical functions done on Python. I would suggest you to go through that once, because I side by side also hear my or listen and practice my videos. Whatever I am doing, you guys can also do side by side. So let's say arithmetic Python operators. Just click here, arithmetic Python operators. You will see addition, division. It's as I discussed, W3 school is very, this is floor division. As I showed you, it will only take the first layer digit post the decimal. It will just discard that digit. So you guys can go through like example modulus. Modulus I can also show you with an example. Where is that? Okay, where is that Jupyter Notebook I opened? I don't know why my system is so hanging. It's getting hang. Just bear with me, guys. Sorry for your. I know your time is very precious. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Just clicked on it. Let's see if it happens. I don't know why my system suddenly got hanged. Anyways, as discussed, guys, You guys can go through W3 schools for glossary purpose. Like if you want to see the arithmetic thing, because see, I will teach you the basics, and it's up to you how you practice. If you don't practice, you will not be able to formula things up, right? I can give you like I can spoon feed you, but you, so after spoon feeding, it's you. When I will not be there, it's you. You have to make the things and take the, what do you call, food from the plate with the help of spoon, and then feed in a mouth, right? So you have to complete like start practicing along along with my exercises, which I'm gonna do in this video. Okay, so as discussed, you can see um, 10 t modulus 5. What again? This 10 modulus 5. It will just take. Okay, I'll tell you. Let's give another example. 10 divided by 3. So when you do a 10 modulus 3, it will just give you a remainder like 3. It will, what is my remainder if I divide 10 by 3? 1, right? So it will give the output as 1. So you can also do multiple calculations like 10 into 5, and Python is very smart to do all those into 2. See, 10 into 5 is, so it will follow a Bodmas rule. 10 into 5, 50. 2 into 1, 52. So this is all about the arithmetical calculations. Now if I want to store this value, where do I store this value? I need some container, right, where I can store this number 52 and I can use it for my future purpose. So there comes the concept known as variables. So you can, here in Jupyter Notebook, you can make this as heading. Just click here, it's heading. Okay, and shift enter. So there, sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Anyways, never mind. So variables are nothing but a container where you can store the store anything, whether it is a number, whether it is a logic. So let's say subscribers equal to 52. I am saving subscriber now. If I tell print subscribers, see, I told you, right? I have saved my number 52 in a container or variable known as subscribers. Now, if I try to print subscriber, it will give you 52. Likewise, remember guys, here we tried to print high. Let's try that example. Print high. It will throw error because we did not tell the system what is high. Now, if I put high equal to 52 and run this and then print high, see guys,